Hey everybody, here's a preview video of the kindergarten through fifth grade unschooling with math in the kitchen curriculum. This has been a long time coming. We've had several pieces of it released throughout the years, but finally I was able to finish all of the units, combine all of the standards into one beautiful unit. So here's the cover page. This is an optional cover page, but I've had a few people ask me to make cover pages for a whole bundle in the past, so here's the cover page. Now, first I'm going to go to what's included because there's a lot, okay? So, fractions in the kitchen cookbook with conversion cards. The fractions cookbook is something that we've had around for a while. It was originally kindergarten through fourth grade, but we have added some more standards in there, as well as conversion cards for the older grades. Graphing in the kitchen, which again was just for up to fourth grade, but now we've added arrays and shopping and budgeting and all kinds of things that are up through all of elementary. We've added our whole family meal planning collection, place value and money in the kitchen, which again has been updated, skip counting in the kitchen, measurement and classification, tea time and ocean schooling, which are both 4-step problems, so they go through all 4 operations, learn how to do 4-step problems, a sample schedule and layout, and we're going to be offering an upgrade to grab all of the cookbooks as well, because those are an integral part of our math in the kitchen. The math competencies that are covered, which you could probably guess, are fractions, graphing, all sorts of graphing, arrays, 4 operations, skip counting, measurement, sorting, classifying, cooking, grocery shopping, meal planning, and budgeting for groceries. And this is all for kindergarten through fifth grade. 6th graders can do this too, but there weren't as many of these same competencies when you cross over to 5th grade, to 6th grade, because of new structures and things. When I was growing up, 6th grade was considered part of elementary school. So it was more of like 5th grade standards back then, but I digress. Anyways, so then the estimated time to complete is what we have. This whole unit, or this whole, I should say, combination of units, this bundle could take anywhere from 1 month up to 3 or 4 months. It's designed for you to be able to go at your own pace, take it unit by unit, lesson by lesson, however it is that you and your children want to attack this. There is no wrong way. I wouldn't say we do kitchen math all the time, but generally per term, we try and at least do one competency. So for example, lately we were doing fractions this last term, and then this term, and crossing over into the next term, we're doing more of the budgeting and the multiplication and division and the grocery shopping and stuff that comes with that. We're also going to be doing graphing. So we kind of just pick and choose for each term which ones we want to do, and then we use this all year. I'm just going to show you inside a few of these, but you can also see some previews on the website, on any of the websites this is available on, because it is available on my website, Teachers Pay Teachers, and Etsy. So that's a big yay. So this is the fractions in the kitchen, which is the first kitchen math unit that I believe I ever created, because I feel like fractions shouldn't be as hard as they're made out to be, especially if you're cooking all the time. So you can see up here that I've included the standards. And then you get familiar with your measuring tools. Now this is a meal plan and cooking based curriculum. So this is actually like a giant cookbook, but the difference is that for each recipe, let me show you this example. Each recipe, it also talks about how to discuss symmetry or fractions. So it's not just a cookbook, it's a cookbook that also gives you a little bit of instruction just in case you want that extra help. Now for the graphing, I'm just going to go ahead and show you here this first page. It might be the 3rd page, actually. No, okay, here we go. So here are the different units that are in this unit. You can call them different competencies within a competency. Graphing with handfuls, scavenger hunt graphing, place value graphing, measurement graphing, array graphing, and food prices graphing. So you can see that there's a lot of crossover between the different units and the different competencies, and I believe that math is supposed to be that way. It shouldn't be hard and complicated. It really is truly simple. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to follow along.